This golf tournament is so important because we're raising funds to be able to provide local students and teachers with the necessary resources to learn about STEM through sports in the classroom, and to be able to provide teachers with STEM kits and student workbooks and engaging curriculum that helps students improve academically.
We're so proud to be partnering with Science of Sport. Since 2018, we've partnered with them to develop a Science of Baseball curriculum. To date, we have invested $234,000 in the Science of Sport, and we're not stopping. So we're so excited for that partnership. Good luck to everyone today.
Gotta go, you think?
Too hot. Yeah! Go!
Peace!
The beauty about using sports is you can use anything that is going to connect with a kid, whatever they're interested in. And if you're using real-world examples, it's going to help kids understand it in the context that they're familiar with and that they relate to. If we can change that perspective to have sports not only being an entertainment element and actually providing educational value, that's where we're going to find our greatest success.